What's up, kid? Here we are at the Staybridge Inn and Suites in Florence, South Carolina. Room 318, excuse me. Let's take a tour. We'll start off, though, with this. The door sticks. So even when you close it, it does not close. So it just saved me because I left the room key in there. But you do have to push it on this one. So let's go ahead and you can see something there. It's been banged up a little bit there as well. So you can see where it's sticking. Like up here, there's no, there you go. There's no gap there. So anyway, this is a King Studio Suite, as they called it. So we do have a couple of burners over here. And then we have, it looks like a pot, colander, another pan back over there. Underneath here we have a garbage can. We have paper towels and then dishwasher tabs and a sponge along with dish soap there. Up here we have settings for 4. So 4 bowls, 4 plates. Both the small and the large. Then we have 4 of each of the glasses types, and then we have measuring cup. Over here, these drawers do not work, so those are fake. Also, this door does not open here all the way, so it will not stay open. But we do have 4 coffee mugs, and then filters, some sugars and salt and pepper and all that stuff. But yeah, so the utensils are up here. Microwave, I guess dishwasher, if you didn't see that. Then we have a freezer with an ice maker, and then fridge, very clean on all of it. I can feel the cold, it's pumping out some cold stuff there, so that's good. Don't really have anything to put in there, but if I did, it'd be awesome. So here we have regular coffee, and then decaf there, their own branded stuff, and then a thing of popcorn. We got regular butter. So Act 2 popcorn. Yeah. So desk area, you can see here, we do have some outlets right there, along with a mirror to check your stuff out before you leave. We do have a decent looking couch. Material looks to be in good shape. It is a sofa sleeper here. You can see there, so that's a double. Yeah, it's gonna be a double. But yeah, everything's in pretty good shape here. No complaints there at all. Thermostat is over here on the wall. I did see that, but I did not turn that down yet. So let's get this thing cooking. I'll make a comment or something. I'll add a note about the air conditioning status, but we'll go ahead and go in all kinds of out of order here, but we're going to look out at the scenery out the window, and you can see I'm just looking at the roof. So it's dark. I don't have any idea what else is out there, except I do know that you can kind of see a glimmer. That's way out of focus there. That's the pool area. And so there is a pool with an outdoor grill. It's covered. It's actually a pretty nice spot. I went down there and checked that out when I got here. This is an end unit, obviously, but still can't see anything out over on that side. So again, this is an end unit. So we got the windows on the side. We do have neighbors over here. But king bed, outlets on both sides. You know, like I like. So happy with this. So outlet over there, and then outlet here, same thing. Let's take a look at the clock. What do we got? We got to go all the way dimmer? No, we do not have an all the way. So I'm gonna have to turn that or flip that over, but it'll be fine. Closet wise, what do we have? We have a laundry basket. So we do have laundry downstairs by the pool as well. I did see that. And then we have plenty of hangers, some shelf space, an in-room safe, bedding for the sleeper sofa. So hitting all the right things that I'm looking for. Does have the hair dryer, extra toilet paper, hand wash, body lotion, tissues, makeup removers. Then we have towels, a random number. We have 3 bath towels, but then 2 hand towels and 2 washcloths. I only need 1 of each, so it's whatever. And then in the bathroom or in the shower, so we have a little bit of scuff marks. Kind of looks like a dog or something's nails, maybe. You see, these places are pet friendly, so maybe that could be. But shower head, a couple of different settings it looks like, and then more Dove stuff in here: shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. No real complaints. So pretty solid hotel. Pretty happy with the way that everything is. Got a Bible in there. All right, yeah. So TV. If you're laying in bed, you can see from this side, you can still see the TV pretty decent. Same thing from there, but the TV does rotate. So obviously making that better for the angle that you're actually at. And then clear access to the back, maybe? Yeah, here we go. So there's another HDMI. Not hooking anything up. It does look like they have some kind of a Chromecast, maybe. Something. I don't know. Maybe not Chromecast. Maybe. I don't know. Whatever it is. They got it chained up so you don't steal it. But, yeah, so that's it. The Staybridge Inn and Suites, I think it's called, in Florence, South Carolina. So, until next time.